guys, today we're gonna unbox LG Ultragear 27GL83A, which has 144 Hz, 1 millisecond, NVIDIA G compatible with IPS installed in HDR QHD with a resolution 1440p. So I bought this for my PS5 to have a better result playing high FPS game like Cold War, Call of Duty Warzone. So this is the inside. I don't know what that is. There's a CD. What the hell? Inside, I think it's. Let me open this. Okay. This is, I think, the cable adapter. This is the USB. I don't know. I mean the HDMI. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one for PS5 or the PS5 one. This is some, I think, the cable holder. This is for behind the monitor for cables. We don't need this one. Wow, energy consuming G. Wow. Okay, HDMI and instructions. We don't need those. We don't need those right now. Okay. This is the stand. Let me open it. Okay. This is the stand. Yeah, this is the part goes with the stand as well. It's pretty heavy, not gonna lie. Okay. Now the monitor itself is 27-inch. It's Ultragear LG. Okay. It's pretty thin, I guess. 1 second. Okay, as you can see, it's NVIDIA G Sync. Let's set this up and then I inform you. So guys, as you can see, I've set it up and it's all working. To be honest, I like it, but this is all you can get from a monitor yet for PS5, as there are no monitors to support 4K resolution with 120 FPS. So this is the maximum you can get. Is 1440p is all you can get with 120 FPS right now.